Hello there. This is a short video where we will discover the 6 ways that artists use to create the illusion of a third dimension on a two-dimensional surface. This is a famous painting made famous by the movie Ferris Bueller's Day Off. So if you ever decide to skip school and go to the Chicago Art Museum, you will see this painting. It's called Rainy Day Paris Street by Gustave Caillebotte. And so all knowledge comes from a question. We're going to ask some questions. Question number 1. Who appears to be closest to the viewer? Oh, there he is. Way on the right. Now, how do I know? Oh, it's because his umbrella overlaps the male man and woman and their umbrella. There's also the overlapping. We know that they are closer to us than the lamppost because of overlapping. So overlapping shapes, that's number 1 on creating the illusion of depth. How about number 2? Boy, if I ever get in a time machine and I go back to the year 1877 when this painting was created, I sure hope that I am one of the giants instead of one of the little fairy people that live by the horizon line, because they might get crushed. But of course, that's not the case. These are all human beings. We're all roughly the same size. And so we can see that as things get smaller, they get closer to the horizon and they appear to be farther away. So size, bigger equals closer, or vice versa. Smaller equals farther away. Looks like his... Oh, what am I doing here? Oh, feet. Oh, the placement. Well, look at their feet. Where are their feet? His feet are excuse me. The people that appear to be closer to us, their feet are lower on the page. So lower on the page equals closer. Also notice that the clothing appears darker as the people are closer to us. So darker equals closer. Now on the man and the woman that appear to be the closest, I can tell that he has a sweet mustache. I can't grow mustaches myself, but I've tried. And I can see the buttons and I can see details, but I can't see the details on the people who are the farthest away from the viewer. So that is details. Greater detail looks closer. And then finally, the building right on the left side of the lamppost appears to almost be a triangle, like a pyramid, but it's not a pyramid. It's a rectangular prism. So we can find these lines in the walls, in the street, and if we just follow that, extend that line, notice they all end up in the same place. A place on the horizon line where they all meet and disappear. That's called the vanishing point. And notice how, so that's called linear perspective lines, where parallel lines appear to converge. That means get closer, and then eventually they disappear. Those are the 6 tricks of space.